Cornish hen is on the menu today, and before you do anything, go ahead and clean the Cornish hen thoroughly. You can add some lemons or lemon juice. At this time I didn't have some, so I'm just go ahead and making it really quick. It's a quick recipe. You can do whatever you have in the kitchen, and it's just up to you to make it tasty. You can season and marinate it in the fridge for whenever you're ready to bake it in the oven, but I am going to straight just go ahead and do that right now. I'm not marinating, and I'm going to cut it. Be careful, the Cornish hens are really tender, so don't cut your hands. You can use a cutboard to cut them. I just straight ahead and do that, and I wanted to make this really fast and easy. That's the one reason. And I'm going to season all of these just right in a pot, and before all that I washed everything. Go ahead and put some oil, any kind of oil that you like, just not to make it sticky. And the garlic, I always use garlic. Don't have a kitchen where you don't have garlic and ginger. So garlic and black pepper, some salt. Of course you need some salt, whatever you want to put it, but this is just what I have, and I'm making use of everything that I have in my kitchen cupboard. And I'm going to add also chicken bouillon, and it's the Maggi. You can do whatever chicken bouillon you have. And yeah, and next I'm going to add some ginger. I love me some ginger. I put almost in all my cooking recipes. It just makes stuff taste good. Like I said, you can marinate, but I'm just going to make this right now. Like I said, use whatever you have in the kitchen. I have some green onions, some red bell peppers, tomatoes, and celery, and I'm just going to cut this. First clean them, then cut them and put them in a pan where I'm going to put in the oven at the bottom of it. And I usually do some salt, pepper, and some little bit of oil, so it's not really sticky or burn, and just for a taste, because I'm going to I'll eat these vegetables later on too. By the way, if this is your first time, my name is Therese. I am a mama of 3, and I love just making different kind of food, mainly Congolese food. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. I'll do more videos on cooking, just easy way to make food. I'm putting all the vegetable at the bottom. Like I said, I'm using a glass cookware, and that's where I'm gonna be able to feed my Cornish hen. And this is going in the oven. I already preheat the oven to 375, and I'm going to cook this for 45 to an hour, just depending how slow or how crispy I want this. And it's ready to go in the oven. After cooking it for 20 minutes, you can go ahead and check it and tune it over. It doesn't matter which side you started from, and just go ahead and tune it over. If you want to still make it juicy, use the bottom, the juice that is at the bottom of the pan, and just put it over the Cornish hen. It's gonna make it moist and juicy. And after another half an hour, it's gonna be done. But I like it to be a little bit moist, so I put it over the juice, and in a little bit it's gonna be ready to be served. And this is how it looked like. Thank you for watching.